guys, welcome Andrew, welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with another wig unboxing and install. This wig is from a company called Asteria Hair. This is the box. I'm gonna show you guys everything that comes in the box in a few. I decided to keep this wig super easy, very beginner friendly. I really didn't have to do baby hairs, but the way I have this wig sitting on my hairline, your girl's got a big forehead and I have a lot of space to do some fancy artwork on my forehead, as you guys can see, but I kept it really simple. I kept it in a bun. I am a mom, my daughter is a toddler, and this is an ideal hairstyle for me. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I'm looking for a wig install, I want to make sure I can put it up in a ponytail and it still look natural and cute. So that's today's vibes. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm also going to show you guys an alternative, like what it looks like straight. Hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get right into it.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
is what the hair turned out looking like. I decided to just put it in like a cute little, like a flamingo bun, because this is realistic for me. I am a mom, and the last thing that I'm trying to do, especially in this California heat, is sweat. And I noticed that after I flat ironed my hair and then I went to go do my makeup, I was completely hot and my hair was low-key like a, you know how when you get your hair pressed, you got thick hair and then you got this silk press and then you're hot and it's kind of like poofy. That's how the hair turned out. But I mean, overall, I love it. I feel like this is gonna be perfect fall hair or cold vibes hair, because when I'm looking for like a silk press or like a super sleek, I just want it to be bone straight. I don't want it to get any type of frizz. I think that this is going to hold a beautiful curl. Tongue twister, beautiful curl. However, I am here for this. This will definitely be my go-to wig because this hairline, the hairline to me is really nice. When I say really nice, it's scalpy. It's like really nice. I did bleach the knots and I did pluck the hairline. I didn't have to do these baby hairs, but I kind of wanted to because low-key, I sat this wig so right that I have a really big forehead and your girl's got extra room to do fancy baby hairs on my forehead, you know what I mean? But overall, love this wig. I got it in a 14-inch. I think that this was a color number 27, but it's low-key giving Auburn vibes. Definitely giving like my natural hair gold, my natural hair color vibes, and I am just so here for this wig. I think low-key like brown wigs, these light color wigs are so beautiful, especially on all different complexions. It's not your black wig. Some people, you know, love a classic black wig. I have one of those coming up. I have a few of those coming up, but I love a good brown wig. Like, when I say this is my everyday wig, it's so comfortable. Like, it's in a ponytail. I don't have, you know, like sometimes behind your ear, wig can be too tight and it could hurt. It's just so comfortable. Definitely big head friendly. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this quick video. I loved everything about this wig. I felt like the lace was super transparent. I think it's like an HD lace, not really sure, but the lace was super transparent. I loved how easy it was to bleach. I didn't think that I was gonna bleach the knots because it was such a light color, but I was like, let me just kind of bleach the knots. And you guys, I'm really here for it. Like, it's bomb. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an Ivy. I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.